So before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver and you want to make an extra $100 extra per month, there's a company called Play Octopus that will send you a free tablet to put in your car. You just have to use our link below. You put the tablet in your car, your passengers can play games, and you as a driver make an extra up to $100 per month. Sign up for Play Octopus with the link down below. It's free to sign up. They're pretty much nationwide now, so use the link, start making an extra $100 a month, and let's get started. Uber CEO makes an update. He's increasing pay for drivers, not through rates, but through, look at this, guys. Read this.
So yesterday we launched our revamped Uber Pro loyalty program to better support drivers like Wanda. From cash rewards to savings on gas, check out her story to learn more.
So instead of raising rates for drivers, what Uber likes to do, guys, is they really like to create business partnerships so that they can make more money. So they'll partner up with gas stations, for instance. And Uber gets a cut every time their driver goes to fill up gas at one of these gas stations, obviously. And what do? They say, oh, we'll give you 2 cents off a gallon. Here's you want increase in pay? Here's 2 cents off a gallon. Meanwhile, Uber's probably getting 5 cents a gallon every time you go and fill up.
Yeah.
So again, they're making money off you guys. And they released this video, whoever Wanda is, I'm sure she's a really nice lady. I'm sure she is. But they get these drivers who are like super happy, and then they use this as their PR. What about the tens of thousands of drivers who are like furious about Uber driver pay? They would never post that on Twitter because they only post the good stuff.
Yeah.
Trips. Yep.
Hi,
my name is Wanda. I do work in the Virginia, DC, and Maryland area.
By the way, Wanda, if you're watching this, you seem like a lovely lady. This is literally not against you at all. Like, everybody go show Wanda some love.
I've done approximately a little over 3,000 trips, and they've all been wonderful. Being an Uber Pro, you have...
They've all been wonderful, all 3,000 trips?
That's pretty lucky.
I don't know if that's true. I don't know if Uber paid her to say that, but like... I haven't even done that many rides, and I've had plenty of bad trips.
You have to take pride in what it is that you're doing.
Free snacks from 7-Eleven with a purchase, guys.
Oh, wow.
And we all know, like, Uber makes money from 7-Eleven when you go and make a purchase there.
Yeah.
Like, Uber's getting paid for that. And it's like you get a free snack, but you literally have to take out your credit card and make a payment. It's a freaking scam.
Yeah.
Like, it's not a scam because whatever. Like, you're getting what they offer you, but it's like this is not at all what drivers want. This is the exact opposite. Oh, you want more driver pay? Okay, you got to reach diamond status, which means you got to go out, maintain 5-star rating, do thousands of rides, drive every single day, and now you can get better pay through a free snack.
Yeah.
God, it literally frustrates me so much.
And it makes people like want to spend money. Because let's say we weren't going to buy anything to begin with. But now they're like, oh, I get a free snack if I do. So then they unnecessarily spend the money.
Yeah, literally. I went to 7-Eleven, actually. It's funny that this is like the same thing. But I went to 7-Eleven one time to buy a cup of coffee. I never go to 7-Eleven to buy coffee, but it was super late, and I was like, I don't know, I think I was working or something. And then as soon as I go, they go, oh, sign up for the 7-Eleven app because you get, your coffees will only be 99 cents now. And I'm like, no, I don't, like, I'm not going to go back here. Like, this is a one-time thing.
Yeah.
And I know if I do sign up, I'm going to maybe start going more often. And I'm like, then they won. And I don't want them to win. Okay. Do you think people find me annoying or like interesting to listen to?
I think it's interesting. Should we look at the chat real quick?
Sure, we can gauge whether or not anybody agrees with me or not.
If anyone's watching.
Who's commenting? Let's see. Oh, MK says, love your show, guys. Keep up with the good work, you two.
Aw. Oh, wow, there's a lot of comments.
I Won the Beat says, WandaVision. The first thing they did was to shut down oil. Huh? Oil? Oh, the first thing they did was to shut down. Is that for the electric vehicles one?
Maybe.
Yeah. I Won the Beat says, seriously, Uber and Lyft drivers need to get paid right. It's like this rideshare corporations are like parasites stealing money from drivers.
True.
Now that, my friends, is something that Uber should be tweeting out. Not this video about, I've done 3,000 rides and I've never had a single bad trip. And now I'm so happy that I get a free snack when I spend my hard-earned money. I get a free Snickers bar, which, by the way, has zero nutritional value. Literally, it's like an episode of Black Mirror. Like, it's so, I don't know.
Just a social experiment on
like,
Uber drivers.
Uber, yeah. But it's like, you know, people like I Won the Beat is literally represents most drivers.
Yeah.
And it's not like, you know, I've been in a really, really rough position where I needed to go out and drive for Uber, because it's like Uber is one of these apps where you can get signed up in the day and make money the next day. Whereas like a normal job, you got to apply, you got to wait 2 weeks, get your first paycheck, and then you don't even start right away. They put you on the schedule a couple weeks later. It's like you're not getting paid for a month later. So a lot of times people kind of fall into this trap where you're driving for Uber and Lyft.
Yeah.
So it's like, I get it. I've been there. I really have. It's not fun. And it's like, yeah, you kind of like driving, but at the same time, you're like, gosh, I'm not really making that much money.